In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract unique values in Google Sheets using the unique function. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open on your desktop. This feature works best in the desktop version because you can easily see your formula bar and select ranges with your mouse. Think about where you want your results to appear before you start, because the unique function will spill its results into the cells below the one you choose. Click once in the cell where you want the list of unique values to begin. Pick a spot with plenty of empty space beneath it, since the function will automatically fill as many rows as needed. If there's any content in the way, you might see a spill error, so it's a good idea to clear out a small area first. Now, move up to the formula bar at the top and type unique. You'll notice the opening parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets you're about to provide the range of data you want it to scan for duplicates. Next, select the range that contains the values you want to deduplicate. You can click and drag to highlight the cells or type the range directly, like A2, A100 for a specific segment, or AA if you want to include an entire column. If your data has a header, try to exclude it from the range so your header isn't treated as a value. Also, remember that unique can handle multiple columns. If you select a multi-column range, it will return unique rows based on the combined values across those columns. Once your range is selected, close the parentheses and press Enter. Google Sheets will immediately return a clean list of unique values, starting from the cell you selected. The results will spill down automatically, and the order will match the first appearance of each value in your original data. A quick tip: the unique function is dynamic. That means if your source data changes, maybe you add more entries or remove some, the list of unique values updates on its own. If you need to move the output later, simply change the destination cell by re-entering the formula there. If you run into a spill warning, clear any content blocking the cells where the results need to appear. That's all you need to extract unique values quickly and reliably in Google Sheets. With just one formula and a good range selection, you'll have a clean, deduplicated list that stays up to date as your data evolves.